I installed the Google Play Store on my iPhone. In this video I will show you how to install Google Play Store on iPhone. First open Safari. Now search for the Play Store icon. Download Play Store images. Now open the shortcut. Click on the plus icon. Click on the web. Click on Open URLs. Now enter here https://play.google.com. The shortcut is now created. Long press the created shortcut. Click on Share. Click Add to Home Screen. Now enter Play Store in it. Click on Choose Photo. Select Play Store image. Click Add. Here is the Play Store app. Now you can use the Google Play Store on your iPhone.